Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will be recreating the logo you see on screen. Let's jump right into Illustrator. On the left hand side you are looking at the original one. On the right hand side you are looking at the remake. Let's jump right into our new file. I like to use letter landscape. I'm going to place my original logo for reference, and I'm going to scale it about 300%. I'm going to put it on the left hand side of the canvas. I'm going to lock it and I'm going to rename it. Create a new layer on top of that. Using your line segment tool, you are going to make a horizontal line. So we have our horizontal line. I'm going to give that a stroke of 12. I'm going to go to my properties panel and I'm going to rotate it 18 degrees. Hit the letter O to activate your reflect tool. On the left anchor point, hold Alt and click once. You're going to click copy. You're going to select both of them, go to object, path, join. Now we are going to hit the letter O again. This time we're going to hover over one of our top anchor points, hold Alt and click once. This time you're going to flip it horizontally, click copy, and that should give us the bottom and the top of our design. Now hit Ctrl Y to activate your outline mode. Hit Ctrl R to activate your rulers. Drag a ruler from the top to this intersection, and you're going to drag another ruler from the left to this intersection. Hit Ctrl Y again. Using the bottom path, we're going to hold Alt and Shift, drag up, and make sure it hits our intersection. Now we are going to drag a line from the top of the guide, holding Shift and all the way to the bottom. Make sure it extends a good amount. Hit Ctrl Y again. We're going to drag another ruler from the left into this intersection. Hit Ctrl Y. Zoom out. We are going to select this line, holding Alt and Shift, drag it to the left. Now hit the letter O to activate your reflect tool. On the middle guide, holding Alt, click once. This time go to vertical, click copy, and you can see our logo starting to come together. Now what I'm going to do is make a copy of this layer, lock the top layer, toggle the visibility. Now we have our top layer. What we're going to do is toggle the visibility of our original one. I'm going to toggle the visibility of my rulers. Using my ellipse tool, I'm going to, from the middle of the guide, hold Alt and Shift, make a large circle. Make sure it has a stroke of 12. With my circle selected, select your middle line, click once more on your middle line to make it the key object, and you're going to align horizontally center. Now select your circle, drag to the right as it aligns to the left line. Select your circle, hold Alt and Shift as you drag to your right line and make sure it aligns to that line. A few more things we are going to do is select your direct selection tool, select one of these anchor points and drag to the left as you see the line extension notification. Do the same for the bottom. Select this and this. Hit Ctrl C, copy on a new layer. Go back to my middle layer, select all of this, go to Object, Expand, and we're going to get rid of some stuff using our Shape Builder tool, holding the letter Alt and drawing lines. Now, toggle the visibility of your top layer again. Select that. Give it a new color just to differentiate. Hit the minus button on your keyboard. Get rid of these two or delete these two anchor points. Hit the letter A. Select the anchor point and extend. Make sure you see the line extension tool. Do the same for this side. Select all, go to Object, Expand, Fill and Stroke. With all of it selected, now we will be getting rid of the rest of this stuff. Select all, go to the Pathfinder Unite, and there is our logo. If you enjoyed this tutorial, one more thing, go to Object, Compound Path, Release, Object, Compound Path, Make. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure you leave a like and a subscribe. If you have any suggestions as to what logo I should remake next, send me a message or comment. As always, I hope you learned something new. Until next time.